joining us today. My name is Mr. May. I'm the site coordinator for Plumas After School Program. Hi. So, this is the second year that we're doing this. We're trying to do it better. This year we're going to we taught some of our students Hmong dance. They're going to be dancing for us. We're going to have a Hmong dance crew. They're going to dance for us too. And we're going to have a couple of singers sing for us. So starting off first, we're going to have one of my staff, Mr. Nick. He's going to be singing a song for us. So I need everyone to be quiet while Mr. Nick, our Mr. Nick, is going to sing a Hmong song for us. Okay?
Yes. 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 Okay. Hello, everybody. Thank you for attending our second year of Plumas Avenue Hmong New Year. Kurushiaga Yamoko Ilanoy tua Kutsate Hulu Mono Tutoto Yamukuishan Tokilu Mono Yochala Yoshije Kumapua Kato Sumia Chico Galo Como Tokelo Johnny Lubachia Chitagoa Chico Apata Shoshia Goya Kulu Quando c'è un vuoto, c'è molto tempo, so che lo dico, you are only today, in the merchants Não puxa de uma você Coi lấy thì yo thật kỳ bao show Coi yo lưu tiết đây Đi qua chaya Coi yo khu lúc đây Coi yo thật kỳ Nha xia Thật lúc nói yo Monuka Talking to you know she monuka You know you she You know She mo inu aku yang jai kemuli Kaya tu Kaya tu Cho aku, quando ciò